How to join multiplayer training in Blade Ball. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you on how to join the multiplayer training in Roblox Blade Ball. So it's a simple process, so follow along. To train with your friends against bots, join the experience and go to the server selector. I'll demonstrate this process on the screen. After entering the experience, head to the server selector to find the training mode. Look for the training mode option on the left side. To play with friends, switch from the single player to the multiplayer. One player creates a room and others join it. If you're hosting, name the room, select a game mode and a map, and set the player count. If you're joining, search for the room and join it. When you create a room, you will enter the training mode lobby, control the bots, skill level, and behavior options. Once your friends join the server, you can all play Blade Ball training mode together. It's easy to set up multiple servers, and this is how you can join the multiplayer training in Blade Ball. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.